What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Robert Sykes, keto-savage.com.
Ooh, Crystal Sykes, ketobrick.com, and livesavageapparel.com.
See, I'm way more exciting on camera than you.
I'm way cuter.
Alright, so today we're going to be making pancakes. And you might ask, well, Robert, you've got salt and greens and cheese and butter. Well, you put butter in pancakes. But everything else, it's like, that's not in pancakes. We're making savory pancakes.
Yes, indeed we are.
Yes, indeed we are.
Would you like to know the... Oh, wait. I guess we should go...
Yeah, we got... This looks like almond flour.
Robert doesn't even know because I prepare these videos without him.
Not always, just here lately.
All the time.
Whatever.
1 cup of...
What do you got?
1 cup of almond flour, and there is a half a teaspoon of baking powder in there as well.
Baking powder makes it fluffy pancakes.
And then we have 1 cup of feta. And mind you that you can choose whatever insides you have. We're doing spinach feta with some of the seasonings, but you can do like cut up ham, you can put bacon in there, you can do whatever you really want. So you have 1 cup of feta cheese, 1 cup of spinach. The butter is to cook the pancakes in. We have a 1/4 cup of water, and 2 large eggs. So,
right.
First, oh goodness, I'm out of order today.
Come on.
Macros.
See, if you had done this, then you would know to do that.
Okay.
But see, since I orchestrated this whole thing.
Yep. All right, so 124 grams of fat, 61 grams of protein, 21 grams of carbs, and which is 1,444 calories.
Boom, chicka, boom, boom. All right, what are you gonna do?
Oh, since you orchestrated it, let's, why don't you?
I'm gonna crack these eggs in and whisk them up first.
That was a good choice.
I wanna whisk them. I'm a way better whisker than you.
Get out of here.
Let me whisk it.
I don't want to whisk it. Way better whisker.
Why are you wearing your house shoes?
Because I'm home.
Crystal's got these big, fluffy, pink house shoes with like eyeballs on them. That's what she's wearing right now.
They're actually purple and gray, and they're not fluffy.
It's like Shrek. It's like ogre shoes. Cartoon shoes. Alright, now what do I do?
Alright, so now we're gonna add that.
See? I just guessed.
You're so good.
Let me whisk it now.
No! Would you also add the water?
Yes.
So again, that was the almond flour and the baking powder that we added to this. And then
add your water.
And then you're gonna add this until, or mix this until everything is smooth.
Looks like you even set it pretty good right there.
Mm-hmm.
Eggs?
Why don't you just add this? Excuse me, that thing first.
Alright, so I recommend adding your salt before you add your cheese or anything. So that's important.
It's not important, it's just easier. That one you have to open the big tub.
So it works like that.
Guys, if you haven't noticed in our last several videos, I'm just like the biggest klutz of all time.
Not just in the videos, though.
Not in the videos, like in real life.
Yes. In actuality.
Actuality.
Now you add this?
Yes, would you please add that in there? Oh, perfect. Alright.
A master chef right here. It smells like cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And this in there?
Yes, please.
Boom, look at that.
Woo, look at that. We're going to mix these all until it's smooth as well. And again, you can add onions. You can do like onion ham mix. You can do bacon. You can do
whatever you want.
Whatever you want. Just I would add in some sort of cheese to kind of keep everything together. Also, if you're gonna choose feta cheese, that was a rough thing for me. Make sure to get the ones that are not pre-crumbled because those have fillers in it, so they have a lot more carbs. This one is in like a block, and then you have to like crumble it yourself. But
I think we need pepper in there.
Okay.
Pepper?
No.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this butter melted. I've got 2 tablespoons. I'm only gonna melt the first tablespoon.
I'm gonna go grab a spatula. And we should be able to make several out of this, so we'll just do like 2 little ones at a time. Sorry.
You're gonna do a little one? Do a big one.
We're gonna do little ones.
I'm the pancake flipping master. Alright.
So you want to get these kind of like thin enough and put them into like a rounded thing so that they actually get cooked all the way through.
You're only doing 2 at a time?
Yes, baby. Maybe we can stick a third one on there.
You make Mickey Mouse pancake for me?
That one over there is starting to look a little crispy.
I like it crispy.
I guess I'll be taking over since I've done everything so far.
I'm a master flipper when it's like a big pancake.
We should I would definitely do a lower heat than we had been doing.
210?
I mean the 2, oh goodness gracious, didn't let that one cook long enough. Oops. Alright, so we're just gonna let these guys cook up and then we will meet you guys when it's all done.
Alright, y'all, we are back. Crystal has successfully flipped 2 of the 6 pancakes.
Emphasis on the Crystal has.
Yeah, so these kind of are hard to flip. I personally would have flipped it. I made one massive pancake and flipped it. That's just me.
If I could probably already fix something about it, I wouldn't have put so much soft cheese in there. Maybe if it was like a cheddar or something like that, but the soft cheese made it hard to actually bind together. I feel like if I used like half or like maybe 3/4 of a cup rather than a full cup, would have been a lot better.
So smart. But somebody was walking by as we were cooking these, and they said they smelled delicious. So, shall we dive in? Totally beat me.
That's delicious.
Pretty good.
That is delicious. Like,
Pretty good.
I could eat this every day.
It's like easy to go down too. Like it's when I'm in a surplus, it's hard for me to get foods in. It's like I just don't like eating, but I can get foods that are like really easily chewed and absorbed down pretty easy, like yogurt. This is like yogurt to me. It doesn't taste like yogurt, but it's like the same concept.
It's so good. It's like it's a mixture between like a frittata and a pancake.
Yeah, I like it though.
It's so good. And it's good. That's all I have to say.
Yeah, the texture is
really
like
good.
pretty good.
It's,
We're just like being super
it's
vague.
good. It's really
pretty
good.
good.
It's
It's
good.
pretty good. So, ease of creation. Super easy.
Yeah.
The flipping, not so much, but
I think that was my fault because I put so much cheese in it.
I would give it, what, like a 8?
Yeah. 8. And generally you have a lot of these things in your house anyway, so.
Nutritional density? I think it's meat.
7, huh?
I think it'd be a 7 without meat, and then a 9 with meat. So that's it.
Yeah.
Cost? Pretty cheap.
Yeah, I'd say like an 8 or 9 on cost.
As far as like cheap, not expensive. And then taste. I give this thing like no joke a 10.
Yeah, I always hate picking 10, but I think this is definitely one of the 10s.
It's super simple too.
It's like it has this crunchiness to the outside, but also like softness on the inside. And I usually like I've used a lot of egg-based stuff with keto, and I generally don't like it because it's so eggy and chewy, and I like that this base was almond flour with a couple of eggs rather than the opposite. So we cleared the plate.
That's how good it was.
The other ones are sitting over there because we're taking a picture, not because it made 2.
Yeah, we're about to eat those too though. So we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed. Let us know what you think.
Just like that.
See you later.